Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install our Techo Farmer MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click on the step X link. So the MLO is completely free. You just need to click over here and get the MLO. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO of our Techo farm, as you can see over here. So you can see the location in the map, which is over here, as you can see. So there is also an advertising banner over here, as you can see. So let's get inside the MLO. So this is the entrance of our MLO. As you can see over here, there are multiple entrances are here. And this is the workstation of our Techo farm. As you can see, we have a refrigerator, a billing area, and some drinks over here. And I think this is the area of drive-through, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.